Hey everybody, it's Eva with Budget Your Life. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to day 7 of marching through my minis. This little series I am trying to finish as many mini challenges that I've printed or received from freebies that I've had stashed away for a couple years. I'm just trying to work through them, and I bring $8 a day. So day 7, like I said, and here's my $8. Yesterday we finished 3, which is pretty awesome. Hopefully today we can finish one, maybe. I don't really know. So that's our prop coins, $8 worth of prop coins. And then let's put our money in here. So now when we finish one, we'll come to the bank and take the money out. So we are going to start on number 6. Let's do a little shuffle of this. Stick those right there. All right, so let's see. Paperclip situated. So we're going to roll a die, and then whatever number it is, which is 2, we're going to set that down for number 6 and move on to number 7, 1. And then number 8, 2. A little better. Part of me wants them all to be 3s, but then I know we wouldn't get around the binder twice. So 1 for number 2. 3 for 3. That makes me happy. 1 and 2. 1, 2, and 3. 1 and 2. 1, 2, and 3. Fun. 1, 2, and 3. And then we go back to 1. 1, 2, and 3. And that's everything. So we will start on number 2 tomorrow. Let's get our little paper clip ready. Right, so number 1 got $1.50. And number 1 is from Hey K Budgets, and it needs a bunch. So we can do 50 cents on this one. And then these 2 are done. And then we can do the whole next row. I love this one. It's a zombie avocado. It's so funny. This was probably my favorite set of minis. One of my favorite set of minis I've ever done. Okay, so we finished this one. All right, so number 2 just got 25 cents. This one is from Kayla at Evergreen Budgets. So we're just going to do another box for 25 cents. The little puppies. And a kitty. Sorry, there's kitties too. All right, so we have 75 cents going into number 3. Oh my gosh, that's what we needed. This is from Hannah at Prop Budgets. So we did finish one today for $4. Yay. Awesome. So now I can get another one. We won't put anything into it, but we'll grab this one from the Millennial Saver. Very festive Mardi Gras cow. All right, we have 50 cents going into number 4. This one is from Kimmy at Kimmy's Corner. So we can do 2 more shamrocks. Shenanigans, because life is more fun when you're up to something. All right, number 5 is 75 cents. This is from Lindsay at Bookish Mama Budget. Makes me laugh every time. So we can do 25, 50, and 75. Oh, wow, look at that. Is that number 7? Nope, number 6. All right, number 6 got $1.25. Oh, and we just needed the 25 cents. This is from Neen's budget. So let's do the last spot in our Coke challenge. And that one will save us $2. So we have $1 we get to put into another one. Let's see, what is this one? This is from Lindsay at Bookish Mama Budgets. We can do a whole dollar. Let's go 1, 2, 3, and 4. That's cute. And then number 7 got $1.50. And it just needed 75 cents. Okay, so we just needed this. So we finished one. This is from Isabel Gigi. So 25, 50, and 75. That's a big one. That saved $6. So let's grab one in the back. This is from Lindsay at Bookish Mama Budgets. A little snowflake. So each snowflake is 25 cents. So we can do 3. So 1, 2, and 3. I grabbed my blue one for this one. So that's cute. So that was our 75 cents here. Wow, we still have 8. All right, so 8 got 50, 25, $1. So $1.50 in number 8 as well. Almost needed $2. All right. I had to color them in. I enjoy the coloring in part. So fast forward it through. Oh. No, that was $1.50. Okay. Sorry. All good. So we finished a bunch. So I have that one in there. Yes. I need to fill up my extras. So let's put our prop money back in here. And then we finished 6 and 4 is 10 and 2 is 12. So 6 and 12. $12 today. That's so exciting. So we have 5, 10, 11, and 12. And then I go to the back and I put my $12 in our completed section. And then I have 3 challenges I can put in here. And I will count the challenges at the end to see how many. In February, we finished 59. And I remember that more than I remember the amount we saved, which I think is kind of funny. So thank you guys for hanging out with me on day 7. I hope you're doing well. I hope you're having a nice weekend. I honestly don't know what day of the week it is. I think it's weekend time. So have an amazing weekend. Have an amazing week. And until next time, take care. Bye.